Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome video, and today I'm going to show you how I prepare my cornmeal porridge. As you can see, I have a pot with some water on the fire, so I'm going to drop a cinnamon stick inside, and also I have some dry cinnamon leaf I'm going to drop inside. So I'm going to let that boil until I'm ready to add my cornmeal in. So stay tuned, I'll be back. These are the products I'm going to use to make my cornmeal porridge. So as you can see, I have my cornmeal right here, the refined one. I have my little nutmeg right here. I have some evaporated milk, coconut milk, some almond, my vanilla, and my condensed milk. So I put my coconut milk in. So now I'm pouring my evaporated milk. And I'm going to add some water to it. So now that my water is boiling, I'm going to put my mixture in. I'm going to put my coconut milk and my cornmeal. So you're going to keep on stirring because you don't want it to get lumpy, because you want your porridge to be smooth. So I'm going to add some more evaporated milk to it. You can add water too, it's optional. I'm gonna pour a little water. Look how smooth that porridge is, guys. Look how smooth it is. Put a little more water. So now guys, I'm gonna let it cook for 30 minutes. I don't know how long you guys cook your porridge for, but I always cook mine like for 25 to 30 minutes because you want the cornmeal to well cook. So now I'm gonna add some vanilla to it. I'm gonna put some almond. I'm gonna grate some nutmeg. So as you can see how smooth my porridge is, not too thick, just smooth. So it's almost cooked. So I'm gonna leave it like for 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna add my condensed milk in. And I'm gonna have this porridge with some cream crackers, crushed cream crackers inside of it. It smells so good. So I'm gonna put a tip of salt. So now I'm gonna add my condensed milk. I'm gonna put the whole tin inside. So my porridge is finished. I'm gonna put it in the bowl and let you guys see the finish. It's so smooth and smells so good and tastes so good. So that's the finished product of my cornmeal porridge, and as you can see, I'm gonna have it with some national cream crackers. So you know what time is it? Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button, and tell a girl what you think about our cornmeal porridge.